Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to the prep board. So today in this video, we will be talking about how to prepare for group discussion, personal interview, WAT, extempore, and we have also planning to launch GDPI, WAT, and extempore workshop. So we'll be talking about that. So many of the students are currently giving their CAT examination and other MBA entrance examination, and many of the students would be going for CLAT examinations as well as BBA entrance examination. So after their written round, they have to go for a group discussion, personal interview, extempore WAT. So this particular workshop will be specific for GDPI, WAT, and extempore. So let's start our particular video. So we will be starting this particular workshop from 1st of April 2022, and there will be 2 days a week classes. So 2 दिन आपकी class लगेगी यहाँ पे. There will be 2 days classes for this particular workshop, and we'll be sharing daily WAT and extempore topics to the students. काफी सारे students को जैसे WAT में appear करना है और extempore में appear करना है, so we will be giving daily WAT and extempore topics. And after giving those WAT and extempore topics, there will be a faculty review about we will review how you perform during that particular WAT and extempore. So special focus will be on individual attention. So individually, we will be gonna analyze all the candidates in this particular workshop, and there will be a different kind of grading pattern which we'll be using. So we'll be having self grading also, and we will guide in the workshop how to do self grading, as well as we will be doing faculty grading, so that the students can prepare well for their WAT and extempore, because look, this is a very important round, WAT and extempore. So we will be talking about individually two particular candidates so that they can improve on their WAT and extempore skills that will help them in whatever examination they are gonna approach, whether they are gonna go for CLAT, BBA or MBA entrance examination. TISSNET के students के लिए अभी extempore will be a very hot topic that they have to prepare very well for extempore. So individual guidance will be given to all the students. Apart from that, there will be 3 personal interview with the prep board faculty team. So आपके यहाँ पे personal interviews conduct कराए जाएंगे with the help of our faculties. Our faculties will conduct personal interviews. How to approach a personal interview, we will be taking entire lecture that how you have to prepare for a personal interview, how you have to present yourself at the personal interview, what are the common kind of questions which are being asked in the personal interview, and how you are gonna tackle the particular questions. So individually, we will discuss with all the candidates, and we will take 3 demo interviews so that we can just how the candidate perform and we can improve for all the particular candidates. So this will be the part of our workshop. All these things will be conducted. Let's move ahead and discuss other point which we will be covering. There will be live classes, and we are saying that we will have 2 live classes for every week. So the live classes will be based on important topics like resume preparation. How you have to prepare your resume, which you will present in front of the interviewer, or how you have to write for SOPs. Because look, in many colleges, SOP plays a very important role. For example, many of our students have prepared for NARSIMG this particular year, and they have selected. And according to their feedback, SOP was a very important part for their particular interview process. So we will guide the students about how to write a resume, how to prepare SOPs, how to write a particular WAT, that how to structure your particular WAT, WAT को कैसे structure करना है, कैसे WAT को break करना है into introduction, into main body, into how to give example facts. So other kind of process we will cover for WAT also. How to prepare for extempore, that extempore में आपको कैसे बोलना है, you will have time for 2 or 3 minutes. आपको 2 से 3 मिनट का time मिलेगा. So how you have to present yourself, all the points which you have in your mind in those 2 to 3 minutes. So we will have a separate session for extempore preparation also. Apart from that, we will also be sharing our students who have been given interviews for top B schools, including new IIMs, XLRI, XIMP, Narsi Munji, SIBM, IM. So many of our students have given top B school interview in this particular year, only 2022 also, 2021 also. So how they have prepared and how they have cracked the interview, and how the particular their interview went for IIMs, how their interview went for XLRI, XIMB, what kind of questions were asked in their interview of XLRI, XIMB, IIMs, Narsi Munji, SIBM, IMT. So all the major top B schools we will cover in this particular experience sharing by our students. So this will definitely help all the participants who will be coming for this particular workshop. A very, very important feature. If we talk about the course fees, then the course fees will be rupees 999 for this particular course. And this will valid up till your PI date. So whether you are preparing for testnet, so it will be valid up till the last day of your particular preparation of your, if you are preparing for a BBA entrance examination or CLAT entrance examination. तो जब तक आपका इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट नहीं हो जाता, up till that point of time, we will help you, we will support you under this particular workshop. We will lead you with your hand so that आप particular destination है definitely अपनी reach करें. So it will be valid up till your particular PI date. जब तक आपका selection नहीं हो जाता, तब तक prep board will help you in order to crack your particular interview. And it is open for all MBA, BBA, CLAT and other entrance examination. यानी कि आप MBA, BBA, CLAT या कोई भी entrance examination भी prepare कर रहे हैं, this is valid for all. आप में से कोई भी इसका part बन सकता है, because mainly we will be giving individual attention also to students after classes. Extempore में कैसे we will guide student individually. PI में also we will take 3 personal interviews. So सारे जितने भी CLAT, BBA, MBA के aspirants सबके लिए ये workshop काफी important रहेगी. So you can note these particular points that what we are going to cover in this about the fees also. So if we talk about other benefits, then there will be a 24/7 WhatsApp Telegram group for doubt. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding your WAT, regarding extempore, regarding other kind of personal interview, so we will share your doubts. We will clear your doubts in this particular WhatsApp Telegram group. Moreover, other important information like current affairs update, which will also be shared in the group. बिकॉज लुक अगर आप कोई भी पर्सनल इंटरव्यू ग्रुप डिस्कशन या वेट एक्सटेम्परे का प्रिपेयर करते हैं, तो करंट अफेयर्स इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लर्न, बिकॉज जो करंट न्यूज चल रही होती है उसके ऊपर दे कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस इन पर्सनल इंटरव्यू ऑल्सो. यू कैन गेट अ जीडी टॉपिक ऑन टॉपिक लाइक रशिया, यूक्रेन वॉर, व्हाई इट इज गोइंग ऑन, और यू कैन हैव एन एक्सटेम्परे ऑन व्हाई द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया repeal 3 farmer laws. So these are the I have just given examples कि डेली करंट अफेयर्स के जो टॉपिक्स हैं वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लर्न, उसके डेली अपडेट्स आपको मिलेंगे इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्कशॉप. And another important feature which is very important that many of our students are working in various corporate offices. They are working with in the industry, so they will guide you. We will have separate session with the industry expert also. Wherever person who are working in industry will guide you that how they particularly prepared for their PI, how they prepared for their WAT, GD, एक्सेम्पर. यानी कि जो लोग इंडस्ट्री में हैं उन्होंने कैसे अपने GD, PI, WAT के लिए प्रिपेयर किया था, एंड हाउ दे आर एबल टू क्रैक देयर गुड कॉलेजेस. तो हमारे वी हैव वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव पास आउट फ्रॉम कॉलेजेस लाइक एक्सेल राई, हु हैव पास आउट फ्रॉम कॉलेजेस लाइक IIM, नारसिंह and other colleges like IMT Ghaziabad. So many of these students, few of them will be talking to you in order to guide you how they have prepared. So this is a very very important feature. And another important feature is that there will be a follow-up session even after the course ends. Suppose आपका course end हो जाता है, so there will be a free of cost follow-up session. Week में एक follow-up session भी होगा, ताकि course के end हो जाने के बाद भी if you want to grow personally, if you want to groom yourself personally, so at the end of the course also free of cost follow-up session you can come and attend with us. So आपका जो future growth है that will also be benefited with the help of that. So you can note this particular thing. So अगर if you want to enroll in this particular course, अगर आपको इसमें enroll करना है, so you can contact us. You can contact us, Mr. Dheer Kapoor, that is me. So I am an MBA from BBA Institute of Management, Bhubaneswar, and I have done my MBA in 2014 from XIMT. So it is one of the very good colleges, good B schools of India. And I have also given many interviews of colleges like Excel Rai. I have given interviews of IRMA, IMT Ghaziabad, Gym. So I will definitely would be very very helpful to share my experiences with you. And you can also contact Mr. Raj Kumar Gupta. So Raj sir is CAT 100 percentiler 3 times, and he has average CAT score of 99.9 percentile. So you can look at our team also that we are a group of experts who will be taking this particular workshop. So you can call any of us in order to discuss regarding this particular workshop. If you want to join our workshop, you can call any of us. So अगर आपको हमारा आज का कंटेंट अच्छा लगा, so please like our particular video, Share this video to your friends who will be preparing for GD, PI, Extempore, WAT, and please subscribe to our channel because देखिए आगे ऐसे और important videos we will be coming up, we will be posting, so you can learn from those videos also. And at the end, students, please smile because smile is the most important thing which will help you to clear all your examinations. So please smile a lot. Okay. So let's end this particular video here. I wish all the best to all our students. Thank you very much.